So this is the 4th annual Big Data Conference that Digit has organised. It's grown year on year, which really reflects the value which many companies are seeing in the data that they generate and the ways in which they can actually gain more insight and value from their customers.
I think data helps many organizations deliver on competitive edge. The question that we have nowadays is, how do we actually make that happen? So it's not a question of how big your data lake is, it's not a question of how much data I can amass, because you can crunch it any way you want. If you're not actually talking and engaging and finding out what the value is in that data, right, with your business, then you're going to lose that competitive advantage.
Events like this are great because they bring people together to talk about common problems across different organisations. The common theme of this one is data and giving people more access to data, big data, small data, whatever it might be. For us, it's fantastic because we get to talk to some of our customers who are here, but also a bunch of people who are kind of on that data-driven journey. We're here to try and help them do that, so we like having a chat with them, kind of hearing from the market and hearing what's important to them.
So inside financial services, there's a huge number of users that we use data for. So whether it's cross fraud or risk, understanding whether to lend to someone or not, all the way through to marketing, data is like a central part to what we do inside Sainsbury's Bank.
We're looking to use data to differentiate ourselves from our competitors. And what we want to do is build reliability and the levels of customer service that we can provide through the use of data.
I think nowadays there's so many companies that hold a wide variety of different data across numerous industry sources, whether it's on their servers or on the cloud. I think a lot of the challenges around data is companies don't know what they actually hold. So it's a case of searching across that data, discovering what's actually there, and then ultimately analysing it as well.
There's 4 barriers that I see to big data and to analytics. First one is data quality. Second one is the tech systems that support leveraging that data. Third aspect is the capabilities of their staff to use data insights. And the fourth one, which is always the biggest issue, is the engagement in data solutions.
Raising the importance of using the data that you have available to you. And then there's the processing and ensuring the validation and quality is in place for that data. And then the third thing, I think, is creativity. What are we going to do with that data? What new products can we make with that data? How are we going to benefit people's lives, make better products, have better customer experiences?
I think these kind of events are invaluable to the data science community in general because it is a very supportive environment where people share knowledge, they also share expertise and they share contacts and also what technologies they're using and stuff as well.
Opportunities are massive for companies based in Scotland, both in terms of a UK and an international market. But to take advantage of those opportunities, businesses in Scotland need to look very, very carefully at the skills challenge. And that skills challenge can be looked at 2 ways. Number one could be effective hiring, looking at experienced practitioners, but also looking at growing your own, nurturing and developing talent from university to corporate level.
Digit.fyi is the place to go. We're Scotland's leading technology events and media hub. So we organise a range of events across the whole course of the year, focusing on different topics from GDPR, big data, digital transformation, cybersecurity, through to energy. We also have Scotland's largest technology-focused news website, Digit.fyi. So we're covering everything to do with the tech sector here in Scotland, which needs far more visibility and deserves an awful lot more recognition for the pioneering and commercially successful work that's actually happening.